Part hashtag 8525-01 fitment 03-13 Dodge Ram 2504X4 03-12 Dodge Ram 3504X4 06-08 Dodge Ram 1500 Megacab 4X4 Note, we cannot guarantee fitment with aftermarket differential covers. Known compatibility with the following diff covers: AFA Power Drag Link is bent to clear factory axle brackets and is compatible from stock to 6 lifted vehicles. Vehicles over 6 of lift will require a drop pitman arm for compatibility. Drag link is made from 1-1/2 solid 1018 bar. Synergy double adjuster sleeve allows adjustment of drag link length without removing it from the vehicle. Suspension components feature an abrasive resistant powder coat finish for maximum durability and corrosion resistance. 100% bolt-on components assures an easy, trouble-free installation with the use of basic hand tools. Drag link comes with Synergy HD metal on metal tie rod ends, 4133L strongest Dodge drag link on the market. Tie rod is bent similar to the factory bar to clear sway bar mounts. Provides 2 of additional ground clearance from stock tie rod. Made from 1-1/2 x.188 wall 4130 chromoly and heat treated for maximum strength, 200% stronger than stock tie rod. Synergy double adjuster sleeve allows adjustment of tie rod length without removing it from the vehicle. Suspension component